So in this video I'll show you how you can snipe tokens with Axiom Pro. And let's start off with why should you care about sniping tokens. I'm gonna show you two examples. So one of these examples is Grid 1 and Grid 2, and both of these tokens did really well because this Stool Presidente, which is Dave Portnoy on Twitter, he has a ton of clout. So usually those tokens do really well right off the bat. And you can see he says Solana is back. Does that mean today is the day to launch Grid 3? So we don't know whether he's farming engagement or he's serious. But I just want to show you how you can do that. So if that's going to be true, you have a chance to snipe those tokens. So what you want to do, you want to be on this page, on the pool side, and you want to look on the final stretch. And when you're going to see the token is migrating right now, for example, you can see the pump fund to radium icon, and you want to click on this sniper icon. So we can in here click on it, and you can see you can customize your sniper settings. So for example, let's set up 0.5. And then you want to customize your slippage. So let's say I always keep it on 100 because it's pretty much safe. I always have 100% win ratio with this one. The priority is too high. It doesn't require you to use that much. This is only for the test purpose, so I'm gonna use like 0.03, and for the bribe I'm gonna use 0.03 as well. But if you are waiting for, like, let's say Dave Portnoy, you're probably gonna use somewhere around like 0.2 for bribe. And I always keep the MEF protection enabled, so I'm not gonna be sandwiched. So once you're ready, you can click on buy, and you can see my order was filled, and I'm currently losing in the trade, but I just wanted to show you how it works. Because let's imagine we were waiting for Dave Portnoy token. This token would instantly go to the moon, but right now, my token was pretty much filled in the second way it was migrating, so I just bought it. I was probably the first DX that landed after the token migrated, so I'm just gonna show you this in a second. Sometimes when you go to Photon and if you sort that by the age, you're gonna see the Radium TX, and after that you're gonna see your transaction. But in this case, there's too many transactions right now, so I cannot find it. But if we're gonna open up our transaction on SolScan, you can essentially see how much we paid. So we paid $5 for the fee and also $5 for priority. In cases, like I said previously, like Dave Portnoy or let's say Kanye West is going to launch a token, that's not going to be enough. I would probably use somewhere around like 0.2 or 0.3. So that will pretty much guarantee you that your TX is going to land somewhere at the beginning. Not 100% because sometimes people might use different bots, more sophisticated bots, but in most cases it will work. So that's essentially how you do that. And I had pretty successful ratio with that. So definitely play around with it. The link will be down below if you want to access the platform. And if you're gonna use my referral code, you're gonna get the 10% discounts on your fees. And let me know what you think about this video. Drop the thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next one.